Here's a little Mopar muscle to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Widebody. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. A little over 19,000 miles on this one. As you can see, a yellow jacket is going to be the color on this. Also has the painted satin black hood. Widebody added $6,000 to the MSRP on this car when it was ordered new. That painted hood is also another option that would have been added to this car when it was ordered. Take a look at the front fascia. Front license plate never installed. Of course, underneath the hood, 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8 SRT engine. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, all the amenities you're going to get on a late model car, just on one with a lot of horsepower. Speaking of which, 707 horse. Now, if you want to check out the interior, the undersides, the engine bay, check out the still pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. It's going to be riding on the optional 20-inch wheels that I believe also came with that wide body package. The Pirellis have been replaced midway through 2021, so tires look good. You're going to be able to see that in the still pictures too. It's your black interior, of course, leather buckets. You're going to have the 6-speed Tremec manual transmission paired up with that 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi. 1,876 units made in the wide body in 2018. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email first. As you can see, this rear window is tinted, as well as the side windows. I have the side windows rolled down so you can take a little peek at the interior. But remember to check with your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Another ad was the Brembo brakes. I believe they had the darker colored ones, as you can see in there. The black Brembo calipers, I believe, were a little bit of an ad. And you can check out the window sticker. It's going to tell you more on this car as far as every option that it was ordered with, and there is a picture of the window sticker with the still pictures. So take a look at that if you'd like to see a copy of the window sticker. And of course, your modern amenities you're going to have on the late model cars, from power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat on this one. Take a look at the leather. Wearing like you'd expect, as far as get a few of the kind of natural grain wrinkles as the leather naturally wears, just like a leather jacket or pair of leather shoes. All right, this one has had, it looks like, some kind of accents, simulated carbon fiber. Of course, your steering wheel controls and all the information center that is going to go along with that. Now, let me go ahead and start this up. Once you're here at run, it's got a heck of a bark to it. We'll check out that engine bay and wrap up this video. Harman Kardon stereo, of course, in this one. I do have the red key active. There's your miles, 19,780. There's no warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that on. There's your Uconnect, already accepted. Stereo obviously in working order, wipers, everything in working order on this one. Take a look at the dash. Climate controls. And then of course, you're going to have, again, launch control, parking assist, miscellaneous things that are going to be down here. All right, go ahead, once again, check out that window sticker. If you have any questions, it's probably the easiest way to look at options. What came on this car originally. All right. Like I said, we got a little bark going on back here. Now, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped, and we'll check out that engine bay and the 707 horses underneath.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Take a look underneath the hood. This car has not been driven any sort of inclement weather. Acts as a Southern car, and again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. There's that 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi. Has had a catch can, oil catch can added, JLT FYI. JLT cold air intake, I believe those would have been ads. It's looking very clean, nice and tidy, sounds good, looks good. What you'd expect with this kind of miles. There you go, 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.